Click on the link below to get discount. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a remarkable addition to any swimming pool maintenance routine. This innovative device is designed to tackle the cleaning of both above-ground and in-ground pools efficiently, making it a versatile choice for pool owners. First and foremost, the cordless feature stands out. Gone are the days of tangled cords and limited mobility around the pool. The AquaSense 2 operates on a rechargeable battery, providing up to 90 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. This ample runtime is sufficient for cleaning most residential pools, allowing users to enjoy a clean swimming environment without the hassle of manual cleaning. One of the most impressive aspects of the AquaSense 2 is its intelligent navigation technology. The built-in sensors allow the vacuum to detect the shape and size of the pool, enabling it to cover every inch without missing spots. It efficiently navigates obstacles and effectively transitions between different surfaces, including tile, vinyl, and fiberglass. This adaptability ensures that it thoroughly cleans various pool types and surfaces. The vacuum suction power is commendable, capable of picking up debris ranging from fine dirt and sand to larger leaves and twigs, ensuring a pristine pool floor. The dual filtration system captures both large debris and fine particles, which contributes to maintaining water clarity. In addition to its cleaning capabilities, the AquaSense 2 comes with a protective cover, which is a thoughtful addition that extends the product's longevity. This cover helps shield the vacuum from UV rays and harsh weather conditions when not in use. While the AquaSense 2 is user-friendly, it does require occasional maintenance, such as cleaning the filter and ensuring the brushes remain in good condition. Overall, the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a worthwhile investment for pool owners looking for an effective, hassle-free cleaning solution that combines technology with ease of use.